Marias! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, meron na naman po tayong another Weverse unboxing. And this is the Bulletproof or Proof album unboxing. It's a little open, yes, I've seen it, but I want to share with you how I will react seeing the actual albums. I only unwrap it from the bubble wrap just to make sure it's complete and safe. But if you're interested to know what is my first impression regarding the new album or the latest album of BTS, then please keep on watching. Maria, 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 Maria. Alright guys, so nag-effort nga tayo, no? Nagpagawa pa tayo ng t-shirt ng Proof para lang i-welcome yung ating bagong album. So basically, dumating siya ng ganito. Pinaship ko siya directly dito sa Philippines. Hindi ko na siya dinaan sa Korean address na nire-rent namin ni Gwen. So ito na siya. It came exactly 14 days from the time I purchased it. And ito na nga siya. So sobrang bigat na ito. This weighs 6 kilos. 6 kilograms yung nakasulat dito sa box. So open na natin siya. I'm very much excited. Nakita ko na tong part na to because I already unwrapped it. But I have not opened the actual album. So it came along with this two poster that I have not seen. I'm very much excited. And some damakmak na filler. And then I have this 3 compact because one extra, one from each album. So I bought 2 package or 2 sets, one for myself and one for you. Yes, if you are watching Kaisha, advance happy birthday. I don't know when this will be uploaded, if your birthday will come first or this video, but one of this is yours. So I'll be giving you the standard album, and you will have it on your birthday. So I'm so excited, but I will be opening mine now. So I have the pictures that I have is Suga and J-Hope, since J-Hope is my bias wrecker. So I will open this one. This will be mine. So I'll put this aside because technically this was not mine and it's the same content. So that's for Kaisha. And this is the compact. So, buksan na natin siya. Ang bigat niya, as in, ang bigat niya. Ayan, binibenta nila pa ngayon, nilito ngayon ng sobrang mura. Because the only thing they like is this. They will sell this in a very high price. The photo cards and the random photo. So, of course, these I will keep it for myself. Oh! The feels. I got the feel for you, yeah, 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 yeah. It feels so fancy. This is like matte. I don't know. It's textured matte, you know. And then it has a seal, yeah. Sleeve. Has a sleeve. So, ito, i-open ko na po siya. Ayan. Bigat na talaga. Ayan siya. Tapos meron siya dito. We are bulletproof. Na nakalagay. It says we are bulletproof. Bulletproof. Ang bigat-bigat. And then, ayan, ito yung CD. Ayan yung DVD. Kita niyo siya. So, I'll pull, I think this is the way to pull it pala. So, when you pull it, charan! That is what you will get. Ang kapal, ang daming booklet. So, when you pull it, you'll see all this. May papel. Ayan, all these. So, isa-isahin natin. So, this is the CD itself. Ano to? Felt. Yung yung material na ginamit dito. Not felt, I mean rubberized. Parang ganon. So, ito yung ating CD, of course. Sharon, proof. Then when you open, this is CD 1, and this is 2 and 3. So all the CDs are here. Yung tatlong CD sa isang folded box or cardboard. Okay, somebody speaking through. I don't know who this is. Let's see who this is. This isn't meant for me. Hindi naman ako na masyado naglagay ng blush, pero parang sobrang dami ng blush ko. I wanna call Gwen. Wait lang. Where's my other phone? Sana gising ka, Gwen. Grabe, nakakaloka. Where are you? I don't know. I have not actually double checked. Is this something random? Na may isa lang malaki? I don't know. And then these are all the cards, proof. And then, yan, ang ating proof photos. Diba? Ang ganda. Diyos ko, Gwen, sumagot ka. Swerte ko naman ngayon. Birthday ko talaga. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Yeah. I don't know, she's not answering. But she'll know that I'm trying to call her during this phone call. I mean, during this unboxing. So this is the booklet. Sorry if I don't have the right terms, huh? This, ano? Discography. Ayan. Hindi siya tumalaga sumasagot. This contains all the era, the 9 years worth of songs, pictures, and all that. I just hope I can read them, but it's in Korean. So everything is in here. And I am super happy that I bought this. Like, all of the things that I want to have, all in one. Ito naman is, what is this? Proof. Photographs. These are all photographs. Hobby. My hobby. Gee. There's some glance that he looks like Jungkook here. Diba? And then I really feel like he looks like Jesus. Oh, my soul just left my body. Of course. Ayoko malagyan ng makeup. I don't know, I'm so kire. Okay, sorry to my cat. Sleeping right now, of course. The handsomest leader of all. Oh my god. My god. Jungkook. Of course, you already know this. If you're in army, you already have seen all the pictures that came out. But it's different when you have the actual photo in front of you, of course. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so happy I bought this. Money well spent. It cost me 3,000 bucks to have it shipped here in the Philippines directly 14 days after the release. And I also have one on the go, on its way, that will be received maybe Christmas na. Just kidding, but yeah, it's gonna take a while for that to be received. So I have another one, and I have this. So if you're interested, just comment below. I'll put my Shopee link. Char. So I think this is this. Oh, this is the behind the scenes. RM Taeyong. Oh, I'm getting ready. Oh my god. My gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I cannot contain my happiness. OMG. I'm so in love with this album. More of the pictures. And of course the lyrics of all the songs compiled in this one. The English songs definitely have English lyrics, but the Korean songs does have Korean lyrics, no English lyrics. But it's fine. I don't care. I love it. So CD1 has all the one that is on the Spotify, and in CD2 another set of songs, and CD3 another set of songs as well. Yes, so ito yun, yung list. Okay, so yun yung laman ng standard na ating album. And I will try to check what is in the compact. Ang bigat nito. Sobra. Okay. Let's put it back on the sleeves. And let you know if it's convenient to buy both. Of course, if you're a collector, if you have the means to buy it, buy both, diba? Why choose? You can buy both. But if you have limited budget, of course, dito kayo kay compact. So this is how it looks like. It looks like a regular CD that you can buy from CD stores. It's a little flimsy and what do you call this? Soft. So let's open. Of course, unsealed na po ang kaibigan. Okay, so let's open. Okay, sleeves. I think I know who that guy is. I think I know. Is that Sugar? Yes, I know. So they also have random picks that are big. I mean, big. What's the size of this one? I don't know the exact size. So I have Sugar and this. I think this one is not included on the standard one. So they have this. And then those are the albums. And Hobby. Is this a random pick also, or this is all the pictures? Ang weird. So there's only two photos. So I have Suga and Hobby. So there's no other photo cards. So, oops. The proof QR code. And of course, they also have this folded cardboard where the CDs are. Of course, the track lists. Yeah. And then, the sleeves actually look like the content itself. Oh. Poster! Oh. Charan! My god. Ching. I hate it when it's folded, no. That's why I love the idea of Sugar to put it on a roll. So, meant to be. So these are all the, yeah, everything that is on the big booklet, it's also here. So they just put it half, and of course, smaller version. So that is it. It's less glossy, it's more matte compared to the other one, but everything is in there, is also here. So that's it. There's no 7 photos There's only one bigger size and one smaller size. Okay, and this one. So now let's open this one since I have nothing to compare. So in that case, you have to buy both. I am so happy. I'm very, very, very much happy, but I'm still, the best is yet to come with the poster. Are you ready? Oh my god. I'm a born singer. Ang laki nito. Malaki pa to sa pader ko. Wala akong paglalagyan. So guys, so now you'll have an official poster from Weverse. But bakit walang signature? Bakit wala? They don't sign it anymore? Gone are those days that they sign each posters. But nonetheless, I'm still happy. I'm happy I got Jimmy. So that's it. I will devour all the things that I got right now. I'm very, very much excited, and I just got a prompt that my battery is low, my battery is low. So that's it for today's video. I'm very much happy to share with you my proof CDs and of course the photo cards that I have. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye! I also have this. Oh! Wait! Is this my free gift? I think I have a free gift! Bakit 5 lang? I have Jungkook, Suga, Jungkook, Jin, Jungkook. So many Jungkook? What are these coupon codes? What are these? Charin, charin, charin. Hoy Gwen, sumagot ka. Hindi ko alam kung para saan to. Natutulog siguro si bakla. Wala kasing pasok ngayon.